Let's try your first program in Python. A statement or expression is an instruction the computer will run or execute. Perhaps the simplest program you can write is a print statement. When you run the print statement, Python will simply display the value in the parentheses. The value in the parentheses is called the argument. If you are using a Jupyter notebook in this course, you will see a small rectangle with the statement. This is called a cell. If you select this cell with your mouse, then click the Run Cell button. The statement will execute. The result will be displayed beneath the cell. We will follow this paradigm in the videos. It's customary to comment your code. This tells other people what your code does. You simply put a hash symbol preceding your comment. When you run the code, Python will ignore the comment. A syntactic error is when Python does not understand your code. For example, if you spell print frint, you will get an error message. A semantic error is when your logic is wrong. For example, if you enter Python 102 instead of Python 101, you don't get an error message, but your code is wrong.